Hi, in this video today I want to show you how you can fix common faults on your Bosch Tassimo Happy. First things first, you can check the fuse in the plug if you have something like no power. If you're having problems with the lid not being recognised when it's closed or not closing properly, it could be because you've got a pod stuck up in this bit here. So normally the pod will sit there, but it is possible that it could have got stuck up here and then you go to put another pod in. Well, then it's not going to close because there's too many pods in there. Also, with this thing here, it could be slightly misaligned, which will stop you from closing it. So with this, put it up here, take it out, give everything a nice good clean. When you put it back in, put it in high up like that, drop it in, and you can see it drops down nicely. If it's doing that, then that should work absolutely fine, like so. If you do this by accident, that could also be why the lid's not closing. This has to be in the up position to allow that to close. If you have a problem with coffee not coming through properly or leaking up top, there could be a blockage in the injector. So take this out here, and this is the injector here. Put your hand underneath and just force it up, like so, and this will give you an opportunity to bring this over to the sink and give it a nice good clean. That needs to be clear there, and this hole needs to be clear right the way down here. You can get a Q-tip, put it through, make sure that you get rid of any blockage in there. While you're here, also give this a good clean around here. This little rubber seal, and all around here as well. Get rid of all the coffee buildup that's gone under there, and hopefully then the seal will be nice, because this is where the water actually comes through. While you're here, also clean the little barcode reader, because the barcode reader, if that is dirty, will not read your pods properly. When you come to place this back in, just place it in like so, click it down. With this, you just place it like so and click that down. If you find it's not recognizing that the lid is being closed, then it could be this little switch here. There's a little switch here. So again, make sure you're unplugged from the electricity. Clean this with some contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Do this numerous times. Hopefully that will clean up the switch. If we were to plug it back in, you can actually see that when we do this, the barcode light will just light up here. So if I do this now, you can hopefully see it reflecting off my finger there. So that's when you know the switch is working. If you filled it up with water, yet the water light is on here, it could be because the float could be stuck in the bottom position. Scale or dirt could have got in here when you were filling up with water, and the float could be stuck down the bottom. If it is, take this bit out here and repeatedly move it up and down until it frees itself, and it needs to be able to float nicely upwards. Hopefully that will allow then the machine to recognize that there's water in here. Also, make sure this little valve at the bottom is clear. So if we get a little glass underneath it and press up on here, you can see that water is coming flooding out. Yeah, so that means that's nice and clean there. In here, make sure that this part's clean, because if there was loads of scale or dirt in here, it might be hard for the water to get into the machine. So give that a nice good clean. And if you find that it's not dragging water through it, it could be because there's an air lock in here. If you fill this with water and go to close it, hopefully you will see bubbles come up. Coming up from there. So if you find it's not pulling water through, do this numerous times, and each time you do that, a little bit more water should get pushed into the machine. And if you do this 30 or 40 or 50 times, then hopefully that will put water as far as the pump, and then it can start dragging water through in its own right. So there you go, real simple things that you can do, and that might well fix your Bosch Tassimo Happy. Thanks for watching.